I already had an IQ test this year. I don't think I've ever had one.
Reaction time is a factor in this, so please pay attention. Now answer as quickly as you can. Walking along in the sand when all of a sudden...
Is this the test now?
Yes. You're in a desert walking along in the sand when all of a sudden you look
What
down.
one?
You look down and you see a tortoise, Leon. It's crawling towards you.
Tortoise? What's that?
You know what a turtle is?
Of course.
Same thing.
I've never seen a turtle. But I understand what you mean.
You reach down, you flip the tortoise over on its back, Leon.
Do you make up these questions, Mr. Holden? Or do they write them down for you?
The tortoise lays on its back, its belly baking in the hot sun, beating its legs, trying to turn itself over, but it can't. Not without your help. But you're not helping.
What do you mean I'm not helping?
I mean you're not helping. Why is that, Leon? They're just questions, Leon.